Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at some more sounds of English. One sound in particular, the sound sh, as in ship or sheep or shoe. I'm making a shopping list. I want to buy some things that begin with the sound sh. For example, I want to buy some sugar. I also need shoes, a new pair of shoes. I'm feeling hungry. I'll order some fish and chips. Some fish and chips. What else? Oh, I need some shoe polish. My shoes are dirty. I need some shoe polish. I also need a new English dictionary. An English dictionary. Also, my bed needs some new sheets. I also want to buy some cushions for the sofa. I need a new shirt. This one's getting a little bit old. I need a new shirt, and I also need to buy some washing powder. So that's my shopping list. Sugar, shoes, fish and chips for lunch, shoe polish, an English dictionary, some sheets for the bed, some cushions for the sofa, a shirt, and some washing powder. I'm off to the shops. I'll see you later. Bye for now.